Hello, my beautiful friends. Let's dive in reading for this week. So, before this reading, the first thing I felt was mental heaviness. Like you have been thinking a lot, analyzing, trying to make sense of everything, but at the same time, you're feeling emotionally tired. So, Virgo, it feels like many of you have been carrying a lot in your mind, trying to figure out things, trying to fix things. And now you're reaching a point where you're craving for peace, clarity, and emotional balance. So let's call in your spirit team and open up the space for our messages today. We'll start with the spirit guide animal for this week. Okay, Virgo, your spirit animal is coming through as the owl. And the owl carries a very wise and calming message for you. The message is, you don't need to understand everything to find peace. Because what I'm feeling here is, you may have been trying to analyze a situation from every angle, trying to find the right answer or the perfect solution. But the owl reminds you, clarity comes from stillness and not overthinking. So this week is about stepping back, quieting your mind, and allowing insight to come naturally. Alright, let's move into your tarot messages. The first card that's coming out for you is Temperance. This is a strong message of balance in healing. So Virgo, if you have been feeling overwhelmed, mentally drained, or emotionally out of sync, this card shows that your energy is being restored. This is not a week to push yourself harder. This is a week to slow down and reconnect with your inner calm. Alright, let's see the next card. You have the Page of Swords. So this is clarity coming in, but in a very gentle way. You begin to see things very differently. You begin to understand situations without needing to overanalyze them. So this is a shift from overthinking into awareness. Alright, let's see the next card. It's called the Lover's card. This is about alignment and emotional truth. So if there has been any confusion about a decision or about what feels right for you, this card brings in clarity. You begin to understand what truly aligns with you, not based on logic alone, but based on how it feels in your heart. Okay, Virgo, let's see your oracle message for this week. Your message is, let go of control. Okay, and this is a very important message for you because what Spirit is showing is, you may have been trying to control outcomes, trying to plan everything, trying to make sure everything goes right. But this week is about asking you to release that needs. What needs? Not everything needs to be controlled. So something needs to be allowed. And what you let go, you create space for clarity and peace. So let it go. So overall, Virgo, this is a week of mental and emotional reset. You're moving out of overthinking into clarity, into balance, and into alignment. So Spirit is saying, trust what feels right, even if it doesn't make perfect sense yet. Alright, let's see your angel number for this week. Your angel number is 1010. It's a 1010. So this is the number of new cycles and fresh starts. It means you're stepping into a new phase where things begin to align more naturally. So trust this transition. Alright, Virgo, let's see what's your closing message for this week. Okay, this is a powerful reset for you. You're releasing mental pressure, reconnecting with your inner peace, and moving towards what truly feels aligned. Your mind becomes quieter, your heart becomes clearer, and your path becomes lighter. So Spirit wants you to know you don't have to figure everything out. You just need to trust the process. So that was your reading for this week, Virgo. If you resonated with this reading, please let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here and you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing. Thank you, Virgo, for being here. I'm wishing you a peaceful, clear, and aligned week ahead.